Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 2 to the power of x is equal to 0. Now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the log on both sides. So now I have log 2 to the power of x is equal to log 0. Now, if I have something in the form log a to the power of b, this is equal to b times log a, because I can actually move this exponent b to the front of the logarithm. So this is actually an important property of logarithms, and I'm going to use this property on log 2 to the power of x. So I'm going to simply move this x to the front of the logarithm. So now I would have x times log 2 is equal to log 0. Now we want to isolate x, obviously, so I'm going to divide both sides by log 2. So then these two cancel out, and I would have x is equal to log 0 over log 2. However, log 0 over log 2, this is equal to, first off, log 2 is equal to 0.301. However, log 0, this is actually undefined. Log 0 is undefined, meaning x is also undefined because you can't divide an undefined number over 0.0301. So this means that the value of x is undefined. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation x to the power of x to the power of 4 is equal to 64. So the variable I want to find the value to in this equation is x. And for my solution, I'm going to first start by taking the power of 4 on both sides. So I get x to the power of x to the power of 4 to the power of 4 is equal to 64 to the power of 4. Now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. However, m and n are interchangeable, meaning this can also be written as a to the power of n to the times m. Now, if a to the power of m times n is equal to a to the power of m to the power of n, then a to the power of n times m, this should be equal to a to the power of n to the power of m. So x to the power of x to the power of 4 to the power of 4. In this, I can think of x to the power of 4 as m and 4 as n. So this turns into x to the power of 4 to the power of x to the power of 4 is equal to 64 to the power of 4. Now 64 to the power of 4 I can rewrite as 8 squared to the power of 4, which turns into 8 to the power of 8. Now, if I have something from a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, this means that a equals b. So in this case, x to the power of 4 is equal to 8. And to solve for x, I'm going to take the fourth root on both sides. So I get x is equal to positive or negative fourth root of 8.